Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to turn on or off mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. In settings, go to connections. And connections, okay, you can see the mobile hotspot and tethering. Okay, tap this. Here in mobile hotspot and tethering, you can see the mobile hotspot is off. And okay guys, to turn on this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on. And to connect to this mobile hotspot, you'll have to do is tap the mobile hotspot. And to connecting with password, okay, you'll have to do is first turn on Wi-Fi on the device and select the Galaxy A01 Core 7775, or this is the name of this Wi-Fi network. Connect to this Wi-Fi network and entering the password you can see below. And that's it for the mobile hotspot. And okay guys, to turn off again the mobile hotspot, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. We have successfully turned on or off mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.